Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bilal Ahmed and in today's video I am going to be explaining you a topic software engineering. So what is software engineering? Software engineering is the branch of computer science that deals with the design, development, testing and maintenance of software applications. Software engineers apply engineering principles and knowledge of programming languages to build software. Software engineers design and develop computer games, business applications, operating system, network control system, and middleware, to name just a few of the many career paths available. A career as a software engineer can be both fun and challenging, with opportunities to work in almost any industry, including large and small businesses, government agencies, non-profit organizations, healthcare facilities, and technology continues to evolve. The need for software developers continues to grow. Many companies are also shifting towards hiring software engineers who work from home, allowing for increased flexibility and more opportunities to enter the world. So let's talk about career in software engineering. Career opportunities in software engineering are driven by new technologies in automobiles, aviation, data management, telecommunication, factory control, robotics, defense and security. Software engineers may develop computer games, business applications, operating system, network control system, and more. Two common jobs within software engineering are applications developers and systems developers. So what is application developer? Application developers design computer applications such as games for consumers. They may create custom developers, create database or programs for use internally or online. So what is systems developers? System developers create operating system either for the public or for an organization. These operating systems keep computers functioning and control most of the consumers' electronics in use, including those in cell phones and cars. Often systems developers also build the interface that allows users to interact with the computer. Of course, applications and systems developer jobs are not the only two positions available in the field of software engineering. Other common roles including mobile developers, application architects, quality assurance, analytics, and database administrators. Some common job titles for software engineering including application architect, application developer, computer application engineering, database administrator, mobile developer, program manager, programmer, project leader, quality assurance analyst, software engineering, software quality engineer, systems analyst, system developers, and system manager. So what do software engineers do? Successful software engineers use programming languages, platforms and architectures to develop everything from computer games to network control systems. In addition to building their own system, software engineers also test, improve and maintain software built by other engineers. Day-to-day tasks for a software engineer might include designing and maintaining software systems or applications, evaluating and testing new software programs, optimizing software for speed and scalability, writing and testing code, ensuring platform. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like button and I'll catch you in the next video.